Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, no opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents. We are back at it again, May 9th, with a new law alert, Senate Joint Resolution 18 and 75. And these have to do with revocation of Consumer Financial Protection Bureau rules. All right, this is another one under the Congressional Review Act. Congress has the power to review and disapprove of federal agency rules. So we'll start with Senate Joint Resolution 18, which has to do with overdraft fees. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau finalized a rule on December 12, 2024, aimed at regulating overdraft fees charged by banks and credit unions with assets that exceeded $10 billion. The rule would have made overdraft services subject to the Truth in Lending Act, which basically says consumers need to be made aware of all fees, rates, etc. when signing up for a loan or credit. If the overdraft fees set by these institutions exceeded the amount to cover their average cost and losses due to an overdraft, they would be required to provide disclosure of financial information related to overdraft fees. Also, an interesting thing here is that mandatory pre-authorized electronic fund transfers for repayment of overdraft credit would have been prohibited. So that's basically if you overdraft and you put money back in, the bank automatically takes out money to cover the overdraft. So that would have been prohibited under this new rule, which is interesting. The rule was set to go into effect on October 1st, 2025, but the passage of this law makes that rule null and void. All right, on to Senate Joint Resolution 28, which has to do with, quote, large non-bank digital payment providers. Under a rule set forth by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the Bureau's supervisory authority would have been extended to non-bank entities, such as technology companies that facilitate digital consumer payments. Basically, they're talking about cryptocurrency platforms. That's legal speak for crypto platforms. So under that rule, crypto platforms would have been subject to more oversight and regulation. But under the new rule, under the passage of Senate Joint Resolution, that is officially null and void. So that's it for those two. Kaimo, keep your mind open, do your own research, form your own opinion. See you next time.